Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. Welcome back to my channel once again. This is gold price chart. Currently gold prices are trading above 1800. Interestingly, due to sell-off in equity markets around the world, gold seems to be coming back on the census. However, let me give you an update of equity market. Dow Jones have already corrected more than 1% since it's opened today. S&P is down more than 1%. Nasdaq is down 1.5%. Nikkei is down more than 2%. Hong Kong is down 1.5%. Indian markets are down nearly 2%. So overall, it's a carnage in equity markets, and gold seems to be stabilizing above $1,800. So let's have a look at resistance and support. Before that, if you haven't watched my weekly analysis, you can check on this channel. English version of my weekly analysis is available on this channel. If you want to see the Hindi video on weekly analysis, you can check on my streaming channel. Streaming channel link is in description. Now let's move on to resistance and support. 1796 will act as support. If gold break and sustain below the support, then expect 1790 and 1780. Resistance at $1,810. Above 1810, expect 1820 and 1830. Currently, gold is in flat zone. Despite a crash and carnage in equity markets, gold is not moving that it had wanted to do that. In fact, even dollar index is down, but it is stabilizing above $1,800. So we could say that it is a positive kind of attitude from gold price. And of course, unofficially, holiday period have already started. I have already covered that in my weekly video, but yes, I want to remind you that we have entered in unofficial holiday zone. Official holidays will be starting from Saturday, but this is a small week. Friday is holiday. Usually big traders you tend to take 3-4 days prior leave than actual Christmas holidays. So I am expecting a little low volumes from today. So don't be surprised if market doesn't move much, and don't be surprised if you see any freak trades or any freak candle. So be prepared, and if you are trading in this kind of market, please make sure you have a very strict stop loss in your all position. So let's move on to silver. This is silver. Currently it is trading 22.35. Interestingly, it is also trading in flat zone. So let's have a look at resistance and support first. 22.28, that is the support in silver price today. If silver break and sustain below this price, then expect 22.20, $22. Resistance at 22.60. If silver break and sustain above this level, then expect 22.90 and 23.20. Currently, gold and silver both are trading in weak zone. New variant of COVID-19 seems to be impacting the market as of now, because the sell-off is really bad in equity markets. So make sure you have a very strict stop loss. Either way, you are trading with buy or with sell. Make sure you have a very strict stop loss. The last 10 days of this year seems to be very volatile for me. Let's move on to crude oil. This is crude oil. As soon as the sell-off started in equity market, crude oil joined the party and it opened even gap down. So now we are trading around $68.70, almost at the lowest point of the day. Let's have a look at resistance and support. $70.20, that is the resistance in crude oil price. If crude oil break and sustain above this level, then expect 71 and $72. Support and a very strong support stands at 67.50. If crude oil break and sustain below this support, then expect 66 and $65. Currently crude oil is trading in weak zone. So trade accordingly. Let's move on to Forex. First we will see Euro. This is Euro, currently trading 12.45.46 after making low around 34 and high around 50. Even Euro is trading in weak zone, so let's have a look at resistance and support. 1280, that is the resistance in Euro today. If Euro break 1280 and sustain above this level, then expect 1300 and 1330. Support at 1210, below 1210 expect 1170 and 1150. Currently Euro is in weak zone, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to pound. This is pound. It is also trading almost at the lowest point of the day. 21 is the low, 25, 32, 25 is trading. So it is also trading at the lowest point of the day. It is also trading in weak zone and the trend is weak for British pound as well. So let's have a look at resistance and support. Then we will see Bitcoin and Indian markets. 3270 will act as resistance in British pound. Above 3270 expect 3300 and 3330. Support at 3190, below 3190 expect 3150 and 3120. Currently British pound is trading in weak zone, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin and these are the levels from last week. I need to tweak those levels. Trend is same, trend haven't changed much. Support have to be changed, resistance have to be changed. Resistance will be at $48,100. Support would be at $45,200. Trend is weak. Trend haven't changed in Bitcoin. We are still trading in weak zone. Let's move on to Indian markets now. Indian gold price is trading 48,592. Support stands at 48,480 rupees. Resistance, however, stands at 48,730 rupees. I will refresh these levels around 5 p.m. when USD INR will be closing. You can check 5 p.m. levels in community post by clicking the join button. Silver is trading 61,705 rupees. Silver support stands at 61,520. Resistance at 62,020. I will refresh these levels around 5 p.m. so make sure you watch those levels. I will also live stream from 6:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. on my streaming channel. Streaming channel link is in description. You can also avail my buy, paid and sell signals. Number of my WhatsApp is in description. You can WhatsApp me on my WhatsApp number. I will see you in my streaming now. Till then, take care. Bye bye.